Right, guys, got a bit of problem with that Go Hero, the Hero Go Hero Pro thing. Anyway, so started up, as you knew, massive oil leak, massive oil problem. So we had to change all that. Big problem with the screen. Test fit the screen, out of shape, really bad. Too low this side, too high that side, really bad. Been working on that, getting that done. Right, now. Bonnet, yeah, you're not going to hate it. Welded up all those pinholes. And I'm going to grind them all off because I've got loads of grinding pads. And I'm going to get that off. So that's done, right? You might not get to see this because obviously the internet police are involved. Now, I welded these up. Now, this is my adaptation of... I'm going to try and fucking put down there. This is my adaptation of getting the Jaguar housings. Oh, that's a bloody hole in there. Well, I'm going to I'll give it another go tomorrow, so you can sod off. So look, that's the Jaguar houses, right? And they go over to 1/2" BSP, right? So, 1/2" BSP will then allow me to put... Oh, God. Do you know what? Just listen, guys, just fucking don't get involved in cars. I'm hoping I can put an oil cooler on here, which I've done on the other one. I just put some brackets, put an oil cooler. It's a MGB, I don't know, 12 row, 13 row, but it should work. I'm hoping I'm going to do it, because then the car runs. Now, this diaphragm on the bottom here is leaking, and I've got another one to do it with, and that's the manual choke. But the actuator, which will cause the throttle, is round the wrong way. So I need to rob it out of another carb. So I'm going to go have a go. I know where there is one, and I'm going to try and get it out of another carb out. So that's going to sort out that. Everything else is pretty good. I mean, the car starts, it runs fine. It runs absolutely fine. Windscreen, on the other hand, yeah, we're not having a lot of luck with the windscreen. We take one step forward and 10 backwards. We've got this pretty good here, as you can see, but only the outside edge. It's not working very good, and that side is off. See that? That is raw somewhere there. So I'm going to have to redo that, but I'm going to push it about and get it in. So don't sort of start thinking I'm not going to give up, and I'm not going to show you what I've been doing here because I'll show you from a distance so you can judge. Bonnet! Welding up loads of holes. They're all pinholes. Yeah, looks like a forest of welding wire. But that'll be alright. It'll be fine. And this shows just what happens if you break off a tap and you try to clean out. That is not me. That's the guy that had this bloody bonnet for me. So I'm going to have to get that out. I don't know how. I haven't decided yet. I'm going to get it out. So I'm going to weld up all these holes, which I've done. I've got a few more to go. Got a few here, a few there to do. I'll grind all them off, get them nice. I think the bonnet's an American bonnet, so I really don't care. I'm going to do something about this this panel here, which is going to have to be altered, slightly cleaned up. And this is Series 1, so I've got to put a backing plate in there because the Series 2 ones go in from the front. So I'm not, what I'm going to say, guys, I'm not too fussed about any of it because at the end of the day, does it matter? I mean, listen, if I get that bonnet on there, which is what I want to do, and I can get that windscreen in, then this is just down to a CAC merchant. Now, I haven't got a CAC merchant, and because I haven't got the GoPro Hero is not working anymore, I have not got anybody to CAC. So I will probably end up cacking it myself, and I'm not a cacker. I can mix it. I hate mixing it. It's like cement. I don't know whether you know this. People who mix cement got special skills, because I hate mixing cement, and it's like I hate mixing filler. So I'm not going to say that I'm not going to do this. I am going to do it, but I am going to possibly, maybe get somebody else to mix it up, and when we get it on there, we'll hit that back to bare metal, but it's going to be driving by then, and then once we get it back to bare metal, we will then go absolutely bloody ape with the P38, and we'll get it into filler. Now we actually found an exhaust manifold, so we've got some exhaust bits, which I'm gonna do that now in a minute. So we're gonna get those done. I will, for the enthusiasts, tell you what that bonnet is. It's a Series 3 bonnet with the under tray scoop for the oil cooler cut out, and it's been welded. It's not the nicest bonnet, but it's the one I've got, and it's infinitely better than any of those pieces of crap on the outside. So I'm not going to get all upset and go, well, yeah, I can buy another one, because I'm not going to. My biggest expenditure next is going to be the windscreen and the calipers. So at the moment, guys, what I would like to say to you is engine's in, engine runs. Had a problem with the oil filter housing split, which blew all the oil out. Clutch should work, windscreen should fit, and yeah, I'm gonna say, guys, it's looking like a car, and I'm telling you now, I'm gonna tell you now, I'll tell you this for nothing. If it's in my power to get there for June, whatever it is, it'll be bloody there, mate. It's gonna be there, alright? So, enough. Don't ever doubt don't ever doubt the fact that determination, it runs, it'll drive. Well, it's got no brakes, but it'll drive. It'll be done. So, if you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed watching it, if you didn't, well, then don't watch. But what I'll say is that this is my E-Type. It's a budget E-Type, and it's pretty on the cheap side. So, and it's an original right-hand drive car with a race nice number on plate on it. So, yeah, I'm happy with it. You don't need to be. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.